Hi, Harry's Welding Supply Store. I was checking out your Amazon strategy and just want to congratulate you for having a positive star rating. I know how competitive it is in Amazon, so seeing this is a job well done. By the way, in this video, I'll be providing you with information that will help you in terms of market share. My name is Michaela. I'm a business development representative here at my Amazon guide. So, first thing I would like to discuss is traffic. One of the things that would drive traffic to your listing is keyword. So, let's take a look at your keyword distribution and see how you're doing. So by the way, this is the tool that we use in performing keyword analysis. As you can see here, you have a total of 2,000 plus for your organic keywords and 600 plus for your paid keywords. Well, here in my Amazon guide, we recommend a golden ratio of 1 is to 2, which means one sponsored keyword per 2 organic. And by looking at it, you're actually skewing low on your paid keywords, which means you are most likely underspending compared to your competitors. And this is something that you really need to improve on. So going down here, these are the most searched keywords relevant to your product. I filtered it using search volume from highest to lowest. So if you take a look at in this column, organic rank, as you can see that there's a lot of spaces in here, which means that you are really missing an opportunity here because as you can imagine, hundreds of thousands of people are searching for these keywords and you're not coming up. And they so it means that you're losing all these potential customers buying your product. So this is something that we can help you with because we can help you organically ranking or improve your rankings up to 10 rankings. So let's take a look at one of your most searched keywords here relevant to your product. So here, let's take a look at face shield for grinding and cutting. So as you can see here, these are all your competitors and these are their monthly revenue. So just in 50 listings on one keyword, there are hundreds of thousands on a monthly revenue. So it looks like to me that there's a lot of market share for you to take advantage of. Because as you can see in your competitors, they're really earning a lot in just a month, which could be you as well. Because here in my Amazon guide, we can help you increase your sales. We utilize your click-through rate and your conversion rate as part of our SEO strategy. So if we take a look at one of your competitors here, so, by the way, this is not to compare products, but just to see how well they're doing with their keywords and their sales. So, here. So, in 30 days, they earn 85,000 plus and 2,000 plus of their products. So, that's really a lot. So, if you take a look at yours though, so here you can see that you're earning 11,000 as your monthly revenue and sold 200 plus of your um, products. So here in my Amazon guy, you can see that there's a really big gap. So this is where we can come in and help you with, because you could also be earning this much amount because you're just in the same category with this competitor. So if you take a look at their keyword analysis, so here you see that they're really banking with their keywords organically, and they're also taking advantage of their paid keywords. Though it seems that they're overspending, but you can see that they're organically ranking number one in most of here. So they really know which keywords to index for and which keywords to target. And this is the reason why they have higher sales. Because as you can see, all of these customers searching for these keywords and they're seeing their this product on top of the page. So it really comes down to more visibility to your customers so that they could see more of your product and more of them could help you increase your sales. So here in my Amazon guide, we can help you increase your sales. We can help you close the gap. So we have a four-phase process here, and on the third phase we focus on your strike zone. So let's filter your keywords from rank 20 through 50. So as you can see here, these are the keywords that don't currently produce much for you because they're at the bottom of page 1. But we can help you rank them up to 10 rankings. And by the way, I can export these keywords if you take a phone call with me. So you would really This would really be helpful for you because you would know which keywords to target for and to index for, so that these customers could see you rank at the top results. So going back to your listing, good job on your pictures though. Though you might want to add a video showcasing your product, and that would relate more to your customers. Good job with your bulleted points as well. So just one more tip here. You can also add a brand story to your product, to your listing. This is one more module to take up some space so that your customers won't be clicking on any ads of your competitors on your listing. So these are the example of the links. So just to show you an example as well of the brand story. This is an example of a brand story. So you can also link your stores in here or other products so that your customers could have an easy access. So here in my Amazon guy, we're a 500-person full service Amazon marketing agency. So we grow your market share continuously. We grow all the pillars of Amazon. As you can see, these are all the services we provide. We grow your traffic rate from PPC to our SEO, as well as your conversion rate through design and catalog merchandising. And above all that, we give you the peace of mind so you can just focus on your business. So book a call with us today and I'll have an even more qualified Amazon expert discuss your Amazon needs. Also, you'll be meeting with one of our account executives. So you just need to click on the link that I'll be sending you and book the earliest date that you would like to talk with us. So thank you for watching this video and we look forward to discussing more opportunities for your business.